Right there's a pier, Puerto Galera pier. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take you for a walk around, okay? It's a little dive shop, dive center right here. It's beautiful. It's sunny today, few clouds in the sky. I just took a ride over. I was coming from Talipanan back here to Sabang, and I missed my turn. I wasn't paying attention. It was just a beautiful motorbike ride. And I ended up at the waterfalls. I was supposed to meet some folks for lunch, so I had to hurry back over here. There's a little dive shop right here, folks. All right, a little trip to Verde Island if you're interested. So I got back over here to the pier and realized that I have a flat on the motorbike. I actually stopped at this guy's shop and asked him if I could park there, and he's like, "Hey, you got a flat." Well, that's my bad luck. So I got this gentleman fixing the motorbike right now. 100 pesos, $2, that's not bad. That's gonna take about an hour or so. I figured I would take you, no thank you my friend. Figured I would take you on a little tour here of Sabang. All right, well, folks, this is a quaint little place. I'm telling you, mermaid dive resort. All right, another scuba diving town. This is Captain Greg's restaurant right in there. If you are a diver, it seems like the Philippines is getting more and more into diving. Or maybe it's just the fact that I've started going to places that are into diving. Now, I didn't see this place before, but folks, that looks like a floating bar. It's called the Bikini Bar. Oh my goodness. And that's the boat to the Bikini Bar. I just missed it. Holy shit. All right, Hash House Harriers. Not sure what this is. I'm coming up on the Red Coral Resort right here. Looks like I'll be going to the Bikini Bar for lunch. Figure out how to get over there. I guess what just gotta wait for this guy on the boat right there to come back. How did I not know that there was a floating bar here? How did I not know this? Got beautiful ladies right here. My goodness. Beautiful girls everywhere in this place. All right. What we got right here? It's a little nice little bar. Ooh, that's kind of nice in there, folks. Indian curry. I think that's called a Big Apple Dive Resort. Got a happy hour 8 to 8. Looks like I'll be checking out this spot too. And we've got little souvenirs right here. All right, Big Apple. So that's another good little bar, it looks like. And if you're interested in some shoes, little sandals, got them right here. Then a little local food shop. What is this? This is bluefin diving. Right. More little shops right here. Okay, here's another little dive center right here. And I got a tattoo shop. I get a tattoo. Huahujan dive shop. I don't know. Where we stumble back into Koreatown. Like I told you before, baby. People of the Philippines. It should be called Korea Beach in most places. Hello, my friend. How are you? All right. Another dive shop. What the name of this place is? Banana diving. All right, here's a little grill right on the water. We got some ladies with some beautiful little souvenirs here. How much your baskets?
It depends which one.
Just give me, for example, for the video. How much that one? How much for that? How much? 500.
500. It's handmade.
That's handmade?
Onion rice.
All right. So this is handmade stuff, folks. Price starting at 500. Come see these ladies right here. Thank you, ladies. Got more folks braiding stuff here. Yeah, you'd be famous on the YouTube. A Playa Grill, Tamarind Bar and Restaurant right here on the water. It's beautiful. All right, more beautiful little souvenirs here. Yeah, it's handmade. Okay. All right. Thank you, ladies. I put you on the YouTube. This is Toco's Bar and Restaurant right here. 2 hours free Wi-Fi if you spend 250 pesos. I kind of like this little spot. Kind of shady. All right, more dive stuff. More diving. What is this? 50 bar. It's like walking through little alleyways. There's a little restaurant right here. Got a hamburger for 95. And cheeseburger for 110, the big burger. I might stop in here and get some food, but what I really want to do is go to that bikini bar. I think that's where I'm going. All right, here's a dive spot right here. I don't know what the name of this spot is. I don't know if this is Angeline or what this is right here, people, but apparently it's good food because there's a lot of people eating there. So these little alleyways, I don't know where this goes. Little sorry store right there. Hello, beautiful lady, how are you?
Bye.
Okay. No, thank you. Just looking. Arc Bays. Okay, Arc Bays Sweets right there. Oh my goodness, look at these two beautiful girls walking right here, folks. My goodness. So I think we're gonna go to the bikini bar and get a drink. Hopefully they got some food. So I got nothing but time to kill on my motorbike is getting the flat fixed. All right, folks, this is bikini bar right here. Happy hour 3 to 5. 55 pesos on local drinks. That's not bad. So I guess you got to stand here by the sign right here and wait for wherever that little boat is to take you out to that little floating bar right there. So that's exactly where I'm going to go here in a few minutes. But right now I'm going to check out. I'm going to sit right here, this little place right here, and get a drink. So this is the port. I took you guys on a walk that way, so we're going to take a walk this way because I'm going down to what's the name of this hotel? I'm changing it up tonight because it's a little bar right here. I'm changing it up tonight. I don't like to get too stagnant. I'm supposed to spend one night over at this little hotel, and I don't even remember the name of it. But it's right over there. It's right there. Oh, excuse me, baby girl. Hello. This is Eddie's place. Yeah, see, folks, that's what you get for not doing some exploring initially. Nice little restaurant right here. Got this place called a Garden of Eden. Man, more dive shops down this way. I don't know what this is. It's a beer garden. Look, a little bar. Okay, Garden of Eden in there. No, thank you, my friend. Okay, another scuba place. That's where I'm going right there, folks. Papa Fred's. And this is Sabang Beach Club right here. Look around. Beautiful day. And there's the bikini bar. Here we go right here. Papa Fred's Steakhouse, Restaurant, Beach Resort. How could you not like a place called Papa Fred's? Hello, sir. How are you? All right. Go to Papa Fred's Beach Resort. I'm a little early, folks. I am a little early. This is going to be my spot. Look at those tables up there. Okay, yeah, I'm going to like this spot. We'll take a walk down here since I am a little early checking in. Just to show you the rest of what this has to offer down this way. Lodge. A little scuba spot here. Sabang Fun Divers. Seashore Beach Resort. This little restaurant there too. That place is kind of nice and clean. Got security on point. And what is this? Mangosteen restaurant. Here's a lunch menu. Alright, I might have to eat here. It's got this little sidewalk. It's a quaint little spot. We're gonna walk down here. Montana Beach Resort. Look at this spot. Oh, that's kind of quaint too. Oh, this is gonna be my spot right here, folks, because look. This has 45 peso happy hour. No thank you, my friend. No thank you. We're going to keep walking. Look at that funky shade of pink right there. Bellevue Cottages. No vacancy. What do we got here? Paradise Resort. They got a little swimming pool. That's pretty cool, folks. A little Paradise Resort. Almost to the end. This is the Oriental Sabang Hill Resort. Ocean Dream Lodge. Pretty cool back up in there. This is Tina's Place Restaurant right here. So check this out. Got a little Christmas decorations going on. That's a cool little place. They got a pool over here. Beautiful scenery right here. Okay, and it looks like this is it, and we got some diving activities going on. Getting ready for a day of diving. And there's some birds. Yeah, that's a beautiful little place right here. Beautiful little restaurant. That's pretty much the tour, folks. That is the tour of Sabang Beach. Now it's time to go check in.